How to fix can't live stream games on TikTok. If you are still facing the issue of can't live stream games, you're trying to live stream your games on your mobile device or on your PC and you're unable to do that, then this video is actually for you. So let's dive in. Looking here on the screen is the homepage of my TikTok app. So in order for you to fix that issue, first you need to have 1,000 followers. Looking here, you can see that I have 2,000 followers here currently. So you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and also you need to be of above 18 years or just 18 years in order for you to access this feature. So you can actually do this on your PC or on your mobile device. You can go to your PC, that is your TikTok live studio on your PC, or on your mobile device. It is actually all the same. So right here, you can go ahead and click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click on live like this. You can see the live option. Now below where you can see go live, you can see camera, device camera at the bottom, and also you can see mobile gaming. So you need to go ahead and click on mobile gaming like this. Once you do that, the next step you need to take is to go ahead and select add topic. You can see add topic here. So you need to go ahead and add topic. Now let's say you want to live stream, let's say you want to live stream the Subway Surf like this. You need to go ahead and add it as your topic. Then go ahead and click on go live. After you are done setting up all you need to set up, then go ahead and click on go live. So you need to understand that once you click on go live and click on allow in settings, you are going to start going live and moving out from your TikTok app and going to the app to play the game. Anything you are displaying on your device is actually going to be recorded and displayed as your live on your TikTok. So this is how simple it is to fix that issue. But you need to have at least 1,000 followers and you need to be of at least 18 years old. So if this is not the issue, if you have actually done this, you have all this, yet you are unable to go live with your mobile game on TikTok, you can simply go to your Play Store, App Store like this and search for TikTok. So when you search for TikTok like this, you're going to see update like my. You can go ahead and click on updates and get it updated. So make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok so you are not going to miss any feature or being unable to go live with your mobile game. If that is not the case, you can go to your phone settings like this and scroll, then go ahead and click on apps like this, then go ahead and search for TikTok. Go ahead and click on it like this. Looking here, you can see storage. Click on storage like this and click on clear cache. This is actually going to fix it if it's actually a bug issue. So if it is a bug issue from the app, this is actually going to fix it. So you just need to clear your app cache. If this did not actually solve your problem as well, you can now go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall the app back. And if that did not solve your problem, you can go ahead and check your internet connection to make sure that you are using a very good internet connection, because you need a very good internet connection for you to be able to live stream games fluently on your TikTok live in a stable way. So this is how simple it is to fix that issue. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.